Hi students, this is Malanna, your aptitude trainer. Today I am going to teach you the topic problems on ages. The present age of a man is 5 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, the age of the man was 10 times the age of his son. At that time, how old is the man at present? First option is 45 years, second option is 48 years, third option is 49 years, fourth option is 52 years. This question is taken from R.S. Agarwal. We are asked to find out present age of the man. For this, in the first line we are provided present age of a man is 5 times the age of his son. Here man is 5 times of his son, 5 times. That means father age must be in 5 table. So this clue is enough to get answer. This option is divisible by 5, so this is correct answer. This is not divisible by 5, so wrong answer. This is not divisible by 5, so wrong answer. This is not divisible by 5, so this is wrong answer. The ages of Samir and Tanus are in the ratio 8:15. After 9 years, the ratio of their ages will be 11:18. What is the difference between their ages? This question was asked in bank PO exam taken from R.S. Agarwal book. First option is 20 years, second option is 21 years, third option is 24 years, fourth option is 33 years, fifth option is none of this. What is the difference between their ages? That we have to find out. To find out difference of their ages, we take these ratios. Difference of these two numbers, 15 minus 8, 7. Difference of 18 and 11 also 7. Difference of 15 and 8, 7. 18 and 11, 7. 18 minus 11, 7. 18 minus 11, 7 only. 15 minus 8, 11. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So difference of these ratios numbers is 7. So using this clue, now we can get answer. Answer must be in 7 table. First option is divisible, not divisible by 7 table, so wrong answer. This 21 is divisible by divisible by 7, so this is correct answer. 24 is not divisible by 7, so wrong answer. 33 is not divisible by 7, so this is wrong answer. The ratio of the ages of Ajay and Vijay is 3:4. After 5 years, the new ratio of their ages will be 4:5. What is the age of Vijay at present? First option is 15 years, second option is 18 years, third option is 20 years, fourth option is 24 years, and the last option is none of this. This question is taken from R.S. Agarwal book. This question was asked in bank PO exam. Here we are asked to find out Vijay's present age. In the first line, we are given present ages of Ajay and Vijay. Here Vijay's number is 4, Ajay number is 3. So Vijay's corresponding number is 4. We have to focus on this number 4. After that, observe the difference. 4 minus 3, 1. Here also 5 minus 4, 1. When the difference of these numbers is 1, then multiply this number by this value. Here we are given after 5 years. Sometimes you are given 5 years ago, 5 years before. So whatever the sentence may be here, just to multiply this number by this to get answer. 4 5 ja 20. So 20 is our correct answer. The ratio of the ages of father and his son 10 years hence will be 5:3, while 10 years ago it was 3:1. The ratio of the ages of the son to that of his father today is. This question was asked in SSC exam. First option is 1:2, second option is 1:3, third option is 2:3, fourth option 2:5. Now we have to find out ratio of the age of the son to that of father. Ratio between son and father we have to find out. To find this answer we are using first condition. The ratio of the ages of father and his son 10 years hence will be 5:3 given. From that I am multiplying these two. 10 5 are 50. 10 5 are 50. This will become father says. 10 3 are 30. This will become son says. Larger number should be for father says. Smaller number must be son says. Now this indicates these 30 and 50 years are their ages after 10 years. After 10 years we have to find out ratio at present. So this is given 10 years hence, that means 10 years after. Now I am subtracting 10 to get present ages of son and father. So 30 minus 10 20, 50 minus 10 40. These are present ages of son and father. Now I am dividing these two numbers. 2 1 2, 2 2 4. I got 1:2. So 1:2 it is given in the first option. So this is my correct answer. Remaining wrong answers. The present age of son is 2/5 of his mother says. After 8 years his age will be half of his mother says. Then present age of his mother. This question was asked in APSI exam in the year 2012. First option is 48 years, second option is 40 years, third option is 32 years, fourth option is 36 years. Here we are asked present age of mother. Present age of mother. In the first line we are given present age of son is 2/5 of his mother. That means out of these two numbers, this number indicates mother says, this number indicates son says. We require mother says. So mother says is in 5 table. Now the option which is divisible by 5 table will be correct answer. This is not divisible by 5, so wrong answer. This is divisible by 5, so right answer. This is not divisible by 5, so wrong answer. This is not divisible by 5, wrong answer.